Is your electric bill making your wallet weep? It feels like you're just throwing money out the window, right? Well, today, we're going to put a stop to that. I'm going to show you 3 dead simple steps to slash that bill and put more cash back in your pocket. Ready? Let's get started. First up, let's plug the power leaks. You see all those little lights on your chargers, your TV, your game console, even when they're off. They're called energy vampires, and they are slowly sucking your money away. The fix is easy. Grab some smart plugs or even a basic power strip. With one click, you can shut everything down completely. A simple $10 smart plug saved me over $50 last year. And while you're at it, swap out those old incandescent bulbs for LEDs. They use way less energy and last so much longer. It's a no-brainer. Step 2. Master your thermostat. Your heating and cooling system is the heavyweight champion of your electric bill, but you can tame that beast. In the summer, try setting your thermostat to 78 degrees Fahrenheit, and in the winter, a cozy 68 degrees. For every degree you adjust, you can save a significant amount. A programmable or smart thermostat is your best friend here. It adjusts the temperature automatically when you are away or asleep. Also, do a quick check for drafts around your windows and doors. A little weather stripping can make a huge difference and keep your conditioned air right where it belongs. Finally, step 3. Hunt down those hidden fees on your bill. Grab your latest statement. I know it's confusing, but stick with me. Look for terms like peak hours. Many utility companies charge more for electricity during high-demand times, usually in the late afternoon. Try running your dishwasher or washing machine late at night or early in the morning instead. Also, call your provider. Ask them about budget billing plans or if they offer a free energy audit. If you live in an area where you can choose your provider, shop around. A few minutes of research could save you hundreds a year. Don't let the fine print rob you blind. So there you have it. 3 simple, powerful steps to lower your electric bill. Plug the leaks, master the thermostat, and hunt down hidden fees. Start today and watch the savings roll in. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.